Okay, so hello guys. For this video, we are going to have more examples in applying the operations with regards to our complex nga mga numbers. So for this one, we are going to apply some rule of addition and subtraction if ang aton nga given is not of the same form or is not expressed in rectangular nga form. So, ang nahambal sa ating rule is the simplest gid nga way in order to perform operations kung hindi parehas ang imong forms of complex number is to convert it first into rectangular form kay para masapos sa aton mag-evaluate sang aton nga complex number. So let's start. We are going to convert this one into our complex number nga into rectangular nga equivalent. So this one ang sa tunga is medyo okay, naka-rectangular na siya. Also this one in polar form ang given, so we are going to convert that one into a rectangular nga form. So damo tutos ang formula nga discuss kung paano kita mag-convert. So but pwede naton diretsohon na lang. We could have, okay, let's start with r naton nga 3, so it will be 3. Okay, para sa una, this will be 3 cosine 30 degrees plus j, then 3 sine 30 degrees. So, this is the equivalent ng triangle 30. Minus, diretsyon natin, 6 minus j2. Plus, we are going to convert 5 angle negative 20 into a rectangular niyang equivalent. So, same with the process, we are going to have the value 5 cosine angle negative 20 plus 5 sine angle negative 20. So we will have j here. Okay, so we will have, okay, so now let us convert it gamit ang ating calculator kay para mas ma-establish na to ng aton nga. So we have 3 cosine 30 is to 0.598. So we have 2.598. Next, we have 3 sine angle 30. So we have 3 sine angle 30. So this is equal to 3 halves or 0.5. So we have plus j times 1.5. So minus. Let us distribute the negative. So we'll have 6 plus j2. So now we have 5 cosine negative 20. 5 cosine negative 20. So this is 4.698 plus 4.698. So let's have 5 sine negative 20. Okay, we have sine. So this is equal to negative 1.710. So this is negative 1.710. So we have it now. We are going to combine all the real part to real part and perform the operation for the imaginary parts. So we have, for the real part, we have 2.598 plus so that is minus. We have minus. So we have minus 6 minus, so we have j here, minus 4.698. Then plus j times 1.5 plus 2 minus 1.710. Then we are going to perform our mathematical operation. We have 2.598 minus 6 minus 4.698. So let us inspect this one. Kung insakto atong yung answer or may sala kita. So, may sala kita nga nabutang sign, so this will be positive 4.698 kay positive dara gali. So we are going to change na lang dre. So we have plus. So this is equal to the value ng 1.296. Ang aton nga real part is 1.296. Next, we are going to solve sa aton nga imaginary nga part. We have 1.5. Okay, clear to danay. 1.5 plus 2 minus ang 1.710. And this is equal to 1.79 positive. So plus j times 1.79. So now, this is our final answer. Okay, so that is our final answer. Now we will have another problem in order to further illustrate some theorem or some operations of complex numbers in dealing with your addition and subtraction. So we have 6 plus j7 minus 10 cjs 30 plus 10 times 10e raised to j 0.752 plus 5 angle negative 25. So, sa subong, may ara kita rectangular nga form. Okay, so we have rectangular nga form, no need na nga i-convert. We have here trigonometric nga form, so need pa nato nga i-convert. We have exponential form, need ba nato nga i-convert, and we have polar nga form. So, kinahanglan naton sila tanan i-convert into the rectangular nga form. So, ang ano lang mo diri, ang medyo kinahanglan naton danay pangitaan value is ang exponential form, convert na dana into a certain angle. So, we have, para masapo sa aton, we will have kay copy ko lang ni danay, we have 6 plus j 7 minus. So, i-convert ko na ito polar para hindi tayo ma-confuse. So, we will have 10 angle 30 plus. So, convert na siya into polar nga form. So, 0.752 times 180 all over pi. So, we will have okay, try natin. 0.752 times 180 all over pi. Shift pi. So, aton answer is 43.09 degrees. So, aton angle gali is equivalent to 43.09 degrees. So, we have 10 angle 43.09 degrees plus 5 angle negative 25 degrees. So, may atasasin na nga value. So, pwede na natin i-convert totally ang ining problem uh, into rectangular nga form. So, let's start with 6 plus J7. So, minus 10 cosine 30 plus 10 sine 30 plus 10 cosine 43.09 minus plus 10 sine 43.09. Next, ang last is plus. Okay, we will have 5 cosine negative 25 plus 5 sine negative, okay, negative 25. Okay, so we are going to evaluate sang sini nga mga operations para makuha natin ang aton nga value for a rectangular ng mga form. So we have capital anay 6 plus J7 minus. So 10 cosine 30. So we have 10 cosine 30. This is equal to 5 square root of 3. 5 square root of 3 is 8.66. So we have 8.66. Next, 10 sine 30. So replace lang natin. We will have 10 sine 30 equals 5. So we have plus J5. So naka-parenthesis plus J5. Next, plus 10 cosine 43.09. So all clear. Then 10 cosine 43.09. So this is equal to 7.303. 7.303 plus, okay, 10 sine 43. So we are going to replace lang sang cosine with your sine. So we have 10 sine 43.09 is equal to 6.831. So we have 6.831. Next, 5 plus cosine negative 25. So we have 5 cosine negative 25. So we have 4.532. 4.532. Then 5 sine negative 25. Replace the cosine with the sine ng function. So our answer is negative 2.11, 2.113. So minus kay negative j times 2.113. Next, pwede natin i-combine ang aton nga mga real part to real part, imaginary part to imaginary part. So we will have, okay, para sa real part, we have 6 minus 8.660, 8.660, distribute ang negative plus 7.303 plus 4.532. Okay, plus, para sa aton nga imaginary part, we have, so 7 minus distribute ang negative, so minus 5 plus 6.831 minus 2.113, and our J should be here. Then our final answer would be, okay, so performing the operation we have 6 minus 8.660 plus 7.303, 7.303 plus 4.532. So this is equal to 9.175. 9.175. Now for our imaginary part, we have, so 7 minus 5 minus, so plus 6.831 minus 2.113. This is equal to 6.718. 6.718. So positive 6.718 J. Okay, so now this is in rectangular form, so this will be our final answer. So far, medyo hapos lang kung paano kita mag-solve the operations of adding and subtracting of numbers or complex numbers. So this is it for now. Thank you everyone. Stay safe and watch out for more videos.